Hello everyone, and welcome to today's technology sharing time. In this video, we will show you step-by-step how to install a circular connector to ensure that your electronic devices have a solid connection and worry-free signal transmission. Whether you're an electronics hobbyist, an engineer, or a DIYer, this tutorial will be of great benefit to you. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare all the necessary tools and materials. Make sure your circular connector model matches the cable, as well as having the right tools such as screwdrivers and wire strippers ready. For safety reasons, please make sure your work area is tidy and disconnected from the power supply to prevent accidental electric shock. Next, process the cable. Use wire strippers to carefully strip the outer jacket of the cable, taking care not to damage the inner metal core. Strip the insulation to the appropriate length according to the requirements of the connector, which is usually indicated in the connector's manual. Now, gently insert the treated cable into the corresponding jack of the circular connector. Take care to align the direction and make sure that the metal core of the wire is in close contact with the contacts inside the connector. Subsequently, depending on the design of the connector, push the catch to the locking position or rotate and twist it to ensure that the cable is secure and does not come loose. Don't forget to check it after the installation is complete. You can use a multimeter to test both ends of the connector for on-off conditions to make sure there are no shorts or breaks. If conditions permit, a simple function test can also be performed, which helps to ensure that the connector performs well in real-world applications. Well, with these few simple steps, we have completed the installation of the circular connector. Now, let's discuss a little more about what we need to pay attention to during installation. Follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer to ensure proper use of the connector. Select connectors with appropriate environmental adaptability according to the needs of the application scenario. For example, for use in harsh environments, connectors with the appropriate level of protection should be used. During plugging and unplugging, ensure that the mating surfaces of the plug and socket are aligned parallel to each other and gently pushed or screwed into place. When operating the connector, pay attention to prevent static electricity from causing damage to the electronic components. Anti-static bracelet can be used to reduce the impact of static electricity. That's it for today's video. Remember, safety comes first and operate with care so your electronic devices stay in top shape. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with more friends. See you in the next installment for more interesting electronic knowledge.